We are in our Piano Adventure Series book, our lesson book, Level 1, and we are going to be playing Little River. And again, we're going to be using our C 5-finger scale. So that means that our right hand thumb is on middle C, left hand pinky is on low C. Now at the top of the page, I want to talk about a few terms that we use in music. Legato. This means that we connect the notes with no break in the sound. So it goes from one note without a break in the middle here. The other way it would sound like this. So when you play legato, one finger goes down as the other finger comes up. Now the slur is the curved line that goes under a group of notes, and that tells you that you need to play those notes legato. So if you look at the top left hand corner of Little River, it says flowing smoothly. So we want our notes to sound like flowing water. Here we go. We're in our C position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, our quarter notes, the little black notes with the stem, receive 1 count. Our half note, the white note with a stem, gets 2 counts. And our dotted half note, the white note with a stem and the little dot, gets 3 counts. So let's play this and I will count for you. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now that should help you with your timing and learning the difference between quarter notes, half notes, and dotted half notes. Have fun with this.